To fix no screen brightness control on the notification panel on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, you have to set the brightness control to show always so that it will be displayed both on the notification panel and on the quick panel. To do so, swipe down the top of the screen by using two fingers to open up the quick panel. Tap the pencil icon at the top of the screen. Tap brightness control and then select show always. To see the result, go to the home screen. Swipe down the top of the screen to open up the notification panel. You can see that now your phone display the screen brightness control on the notification panel. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.